In 2017, a private research team from Eastern Europe disappeared during an expedition to a remote island in the South Pacific. No one knew what they were studying. No one ever came back. All they left behind was one audio file. A single recording, only 17 seconds long. At second 13, you hear it. A roar. So loud, so deep, it shattered glass in the lab that received it. They called it the last roar. Governments tried to shut it down. The island was erased from maps, but rumors kept spreading about something ancient, something still alive. In 2023, a YouTuber named Mason decided to go there himself. He wanted views, fame, truth, but what he found was not meant for humans. He found claw marks, bigger than cars, skeletons of creatures that shouldn't exist, and a shadow moving across the trees. He sent one last voice note. "I saw it. It's real. It's watching me. It's not extinct. It's waiting." Then, silence. What the world didn't know is that this wasn't a dinosaur. Not exactly. It was a genetic hybrid created by an underground biotech lab in the 90s. Part dinosaur, part something else. Something that adapts and never stops hunting. They named it Specimen R9. It can smell fear. It mimics sounds of lost people. And when it roars, it sends shockwaves through the nervous system. One survivor described it. It walks like a monster, but it thinks like a human. Now, strange disappearances are happening again, near coastlines of Africa, AZ,